Hey, what's up, everyone? And welcome back to some more Animal Forest Puzzle World. This time we're playing it at night, and as well, we're playing it at my grandparents'. Well, I am, you are playing it from wherever you're watching this video. Which, if you have data on your phone, then YouTube is portable. So who knows where you could be watching. Okay, 1 minute, guys. We're back again. I just felt I was holding the phone in my knees again like usual, and I kind of felt it awkwardly slipping. And I didn't want it to slip again like last time. Yes, and a few days ago and I never got over it. Okay. Okay. Blup, blup, blup. Do you know, when I paused this game a few seconds ago to change my position, I noticed that the music continues playing. So maybe that's how the soundtrack for this game was recorded. Like, well, maybe that's how the soundtrack was recorded by those who actually did record the soundtrack for this game. Yeah. Yeah. That would have been an easy 7 if I'd shuffled it right. No. No. Right. 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 Okay. Do you know when I'm done with? Do you know when I'm done with Animal Forest Puzzle World? I might rewatch the playlist, the playthrough I did, like the playthrough of this game, and just be like, wow. Okay. I do wonder if any other people who do Let's Plays ever rewatch their Let's Plays, like, just for the memories, because I do. I've in fact watched my Let's Play of Rhythm Paradise DS numerous times. Why? Something times one saved me. I kind of wish I had an NFC reader handy at the start of this game, because I could have actually scanned in an amiibo and it would have saved my life. I mean, I see how that's a little bit overdramatic, but... Right. Now this, guys, is going to be really interesting. Oh god, who am I going to have to fight against next? By the way, I've heard when you beat this game, you unlock hard mode, which is a reward that only weirdos would want. I'm sorry, but yeah, Animal Forest Puzzle World has hard mode, which is where you just basically replay the main game, but harder. And I don't want to do that. I won't be showing that off, but there are kind of side modes to this, which I do plan on showing off, so be on the lookout for that. Right. Oh my god. 16 seconds to spare. Oh my god. Yeah, I beat her, but just barely. We get no mode for that. We get no. No way. We have to fight against Isabelle. Bro, we do. Look who's down here. I don't want to fight Isabelle right now, so thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with whatever else I bring you. Maybe will be going up against Isabelle. Maybe.